Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely fun if you are a LEGO fan like myself and you're interested in having a little cool decor around your house. And that is because this is part of the LEGO Botanical series. This is the Chrysanthemums, I think is how you pronounce that. Always struggle with that word. But this is what it looks like when it's all built. So now, obviously, this is a set that's designed for ages 18 and plus. But honestly, if you're younger, you could probably put it together yourself. It is a total of 278 pieces, and as you can see, you're going to have the nice little kind of stand here for the pot. You got the pot itself, and then you have the flower pieces. You're going to have one that's full bloom, one that is kind of starting to bloom, and then you got two buds. The leaves can be adjusted to a position that you like by twisting them, and then you can put it obviously anywhere for a nice little display. Naturally, obviously, like all Legos, it comes with very easy to follow instructions that are very clear to follow, which is absolutely great. Now, to give you an idea of the size of the set, it's not very big. It's not going to take up a huge footprint, which means it's great for like a desk or something. It's about 10.5 inches in height, about 4 inches wide, and about 3.5 inches in depth. So it's almost kind of a perfect square, if you will. And then the pot also has this little nice gold banding around it. But overall, like I said, if you're just looking for a nice, fun Lego set to build, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered, be a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.